The KLONA Steam Cleaner is a powerful handheld cleaning device designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. Using high-pressure steam, it removes stubborn dirt, grease, and stains from a variety of surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it a safer and more eco-friendly option for your home. With its compact and lightweight design, the cleaner is easy to carry and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It comes with 10 different accessories, allowing you to clean everything from sofas and upholstery to tiles, windows, and even car interiors with precision. The high-temperature steam not only cleans but also helps sanitize surfaces, making it ideal for households that prioritize hygiene. Whether you're dealing with tough kitchen grease or dust on furniture, this device offers a versatile solution. Overall, the KLONA Steam Cleaner is a reliable and convenient tool for anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh environment with minimal effort.